was tired of Bob having all the CNC fun, so I decided to put the finishing touches on my CNC machine and start out testing with just Sharpie and some paper. I bought some of that pink foam as well, but I thought this was a good way to start with this. It's a crown drawing. It's a test print crown drawing, and the purpose of it is to draw it and then draw it again and make sure that the second drawing lines up exactly on top of the first drawing. And you also want to see that where it ends right here is right where it started, and it did a good job. And the CNC machine that I have is it's called the Mostly Printed CNC machine. And it's called that because these black joints were all 3D printed on my 3D printer. And it took me kind of a long time to make it because of the cable chains. These cable chains, even though they look simple, I had a hard time finding one that would suit my needs for this big of a table, especially the Z-axis right here. I had to print out different pieces, I don't know, and just kind of Frankenstein it together. But it's kind of cool, these cable chains. Here's one right here I'm going to do for the Y-axis. They actually print in place, just like that. Like they print in segments, and and they just keep your cables all in line. Pretty cool. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to print it again and make sure it lays right on top. Oh, what happened? Oh, I paused it. Continue. And it looks, yeah, looks like everything's in line. I suppose I could do a print with a ballpoint pen, or I could just get into the foam. We'll see.